Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, again our daily Sudoku practice continues. Yes, today on Saturday, June the 25th, 2022. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium and a samurai Sudoku. Yes, samurai Sudoku. And I won't do this anymore because it will take me more than an hour. So only one regular puzzle, June 25th, 2022. Only one regular puzzle, and I will do a medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, just like before, yesterday, the day before. Letter Sudoku we have here 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, Saturday, June the 25th. Tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will do today, and the other half tomorrow, because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. But first, this Sudoku Medium. This will be number, I believe, 4753. 4753. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars for a 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 8 in the last row? 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. Cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about 1 1 5 2. Okay, let me see. 9 yeah, 5 Okay. 3 8, yes. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in the middle row, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in that box. So 2 boxes left for the 3 and 8, and those boxes are for the 3 and the 8 reserved. Oh wait, and then 1 1 okay, 1 4 is missing, also 6. Okay, 4 then let me see. 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. Okay. How about, let me see. 6 6 6 6. No. 3 3. Come on, come on, come on. 7. Yeah. 4. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yes, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. 1, 2, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Let me see. 4. Okay. 5. Come on. 6. Yeah. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row. So no row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 4. 3. I'm thinking. Come on. 5. Need a 5 here. 6. Here could be also a 6. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. 4. 1. 2. Okay. Alright. 3. Yeah. Come on. The 9. Oh, double 8. Not correct. Made a mistake. This is not good. So I believe the 3 is so not good. So the 8 should be here. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Alright. 5. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. 3. 4. About the 9. 9. Let me see. 6. Well, 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 could be here, could be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, third row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7. Okay. Then 8. 8. Is this 8 correct? Yeah, that's correct. 8. 9. 4. And 3. Yeah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. Two two of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in the first row. We have a 3 and a 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 8 in the last column, in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 6, 2, 2, 2. All right. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for number 1. Right. 1, 1. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 7 then? 7, 7. 7, yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. All right. Okay. How about the 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column? So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 6. All right. Then, let me see. How about the 3 in this row? The 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have 4 in this last column, so no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be here. 2 and a 9 are left in this big square. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then the 9 in, sorry, 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5. It goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Almost finished, almost finished. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes for a 2 stars puzzle. And this is definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.